Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network, and I done the unboxing for this K-shaped microwave rack. So this is the installation, that video that I want to show you, and I'm not a pro for this, but I just do it. I want to show you that it's actually very simple. So this is the K-shape. It's identical shape for this. Okay, and then they have two holes there, and this is the back. So this one goes inside the black and white. So the black goes inside at least. And use the A-type 4cm screw. As I told you, I'm not a professional for this, but let's try. How stupid I am. I'm not really good, but once you get the vibe, or say the way, it'll be easy. It's only when I bought this, 28 ringgit in Shopee, and the postage only 2 ringgit, so 50 ringgit. I should use the machine. I bought it, but I never used it before. The screwdriver machine. I forgot where I put it. This is my first time I do video in my room. This is actually in my room. I just put on a backdrop. I just bought this backdrop also, and as you can see in my hand, it's shiny because of sweating. I'm a very easy to sweat. I'm a person who's very easy to sweat on palm, actually, on my palm and on my feet. This is like, I should use. There's a lot of time just wasting a time for this video length. Done. See. I don't want to open my aircon because my aircon is too loud, and then it will affect the audio for this video. So this done, and then just mount and go to the next. Oh, I forgot. Get a mouse. It's very simple. You find it very simple to install it, although me or those who are not pro or ladies also can do this. It's 5 minutes already. Just for this, I'm so. If you ask, maybe you were thinking what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a Japanese. This is what I wear when at home to sleep. It's not, what's it called? Jinbei, a Japanese jinbei. Okay, so front first. Okay, slap the top. Each son of each. Lagi saja. I try to figure out which way. Yeah. Oh, it's the same. So you can see. When I do this video, I'm actually very sad because of my very good friend Siti Sarah Raisuddin, a Malaysian singer, just passed away. My friend, my very good friend. Life must go on. Yang pergi biarkan berlalu. Dan hanya serta Al-Fatihah untuk Muslim can understand. 8 minutes. I'm not good in editing video or what. That's why if you follow my channel, all of my video I never edit. All my video. So sometimes some of my followers saying, "Oh, that's natural," which is they like it. My follower like it, like no edit of the videos. But that is not unboxing. That is a video of entertainment of dangdut that I did before. Okay, so this is it. K-shaped microwave rack. So microwave will be here, and then you can put things here. See? Oh yeah, and the last this thing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But they give extra 1 screw, 1 more screw, A screw, then B screw, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more of this. I'm not sure where. Oh, we can put it behind. Okay. Oh, there's a slot. I just know. So, okay. And here. Yeah, done. So there's another extra one. Okay, that's it. If you like it, the URL to shop will be below the video. Okay, I'm happy with my purchase, and there'll be another video which I bought, not K-shape, different shape, but only 18 ringgit. So I'm waiting for it. So this is actually 28, and the other one is for this egg sales. 18 ringgit. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.